my vlog, and guess what? My truck is done. Like, done. And you want to know the messed up part? My mother's already seen it. My cousin's already seen it. My aunt's already seen it. I haven't seen it yet because we had a bunch of running to do today. But we are going to go see it in just a minute. We had to make a pit stop. Georgia needed a little top me off so she could take a nap. But we are getting ready to go pick up my truck, and I'm so excited. I asked my mom, I was like, is it big? Is it cool? Do you think it looks good? She's like, I ain't telling you. My cousin, he actually rode by, and he's like, have you seen it yet? I'm like, no, not yet, because I had to go get an x-ray and stuff. And he's like, well, I'm not going to tell you anything about it. I'm so excited. Like, y'all don't know how excited I am. So we're getting ready to go. As you see, Kay's getting in. Let's go. Oh boy, she up there. Oh yes. Oh, it's got the dual steering stabilizers and everything. Oh, she's a bad looking girl. Like, I'll literally shake it because it's like you don't know what it's gonna look like. Oh yeah, tell me that does not look good. Oh my. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's go in here and get the keys and see what this bad boy looks like. Oh man. She wide too. She's a real thick girl. Stupid. My foot's stupid. Like, check that out. It has pretty good. I'm out. I love it. I love it. 8-inch with 38s. I think it's gonna be good. I'm hoping it don't rub. But we got the rough country. Oh, love it. Love it. All that new stuff. All right, well, let's hit the road. See what this bad boy looks like. Katie likes it too. So. I think all my old stuff is in the back. It is. So we're good to go. Y'all, this is a little bit higher than Colossus. I turned the camera off so I don't look stupid. Not bad. Steering wheel center. They're not actually humming that bad or anything like that. You can see them. Man, dude, I love this. And I will tell you what, my fat butt had a hard time getting up in here, so we're going to have to lose some weight really bad because I can't look cool getting in this truck. Oh man, I love it. I love it.
Yeah, you can use this.
She had to measure it. She already has a stool with the string on. Yeah, all right, so we just got back to the house. She's a big old girl. Wide too. Not as wide as I thought. To be honest, I've seen some trucks and stuff, and you don't know what kind of offset they have or anything. And I was like, man, I don't want my wheels sticking. You know, I don't want to see a lot of the back brake drum or anything, because I've seen trucks, their wheels have to be basically flat on the back side. Like, they have to have like -100. It's like complete smooth or something. I didn't want that. Now you gotta think we are going to be putting the 4.5-inch pre-runner fenders. Tell me that is not going to look sexy. It's going to come out right to the tire, so the whole truck's just going to be that wide. Oh boy, I'm digging it. She looks good. Tires and rims look good. I got to clean that blue off of it. But if you don't know, we're running 20s, -76 offset. That was what was scaring me. And then we're running 38 1550s. I love it. I love it. Like, I've been wanting to do this forever and everything, and it took up some saving. I'm not one to go out and just blow, well, I'm not one to go out and blow like thousands of dollars to do stuff and everything. But I absolutely love the rims. American off-road wheels. Legion sport mud train tires and everything. And a big shout out to Miller's in Bluewell, West Virginia. They are the ones who done the lift and stuff. I know they do a lot of lifts for like car lots and everything. They did a great job. When I dropped the truck off over there, they said, you know, I was like 8 inches. She's like, oh, that's a good size lift. And I was like, yeah. And they said it was going to be a couple days. Literally this morning when my mom went by, she called me and everything. She's like, your truck's outside. And we went and picked it up about 3 o'clock because they did do the alignment and everything. So big shout out for them and everything. They did like a wonderful job and everything. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, old Colossus over there ain't got nothing on this truck now. Oh, look at that. Got the rough country down there. That middle bracket will probably going to get powder coated eventually. And everything. A couple of things will probably get powder coated later on. I know I want to get since it only replaced the bottom, I'm going to get probably all that powder coated and everything later on when, after I get it painted and everything like that. Boy, this thing is nice. Gotta love it. I love it. And like the drive shaft's really not at a like crazy angle, because I was kind of scared of that. It'd be at a like crazy angle, but I don't really think it is. The rear isn't either. Oh boy, that's just more room for lifting. But I absolutely love it. I'm happy with it. So I think it's time to go get some rolling shots of this bad boy.